Hey everyone, Victoria from Credit Fix Solutions. Yet again here with another amazing story for another credit report saved for another of our amazing clients and their broker. Now let's call our client Fred. Fred had a bank default of $23,495. Could not move with finance. Now the default was placed in 2022. So not only could he move with this transaction, he would be stuck until 2027 with other more expensive options or potentially no options at all. Now, we took him on board. We felt that we had a case for him. He came on board 12th of July, 2023. By the 24th of August, 2023, we had the cleared report to him. Default removed. His score went from 481 to 965, higher than mine. I'm all good, just a little bit competitive. What amazing result. Now, he had tried himself with the bank to remove that default and he couldn't. So he had given it a shot, and it just goes to show it's all about expertise when it comes to trying to review and trying to investigate negative data on a credit file. It's not as simple as send an email, pick up the phone, although you can try yourself like Fred did, but he ended up coming to us. But a great result, huge bank default removed, massive weight lifted off his shoulders, and off he went. And remember, at Credit Fix Solutions, we're completely no result, no fee. Clients only pay us if and when we've got a successful result. So please reach out. Any credit reporting education that you need. Maybe you need to refer a client. Maybe you just like to speak to someone about your credit file. We would love to help. It's free assessments. Go to the website to get more information, or else you can email us at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au. Thanks for listening.